Seller support really sucks. We all know this. That's why lots of times Amazon uses an escalation culture.
An email to Jeff at Amazon. It's like the last escalation option.
Should I try to kick one of Bezos or something?
And I did send those emails off to the 911 and the Jeff Bezos account for elevating the seller's account that's locked.
Hopefully we'll get a response from them and they can kind of help out there. In all my time in Amazon space, I've never seen a recommendation from Amazon to lower our bids, to spend less in advertising.
Yeah. We went into it thinking that they wanted our money, but we thought we'd give it a roll. So.
I always say that there's a reason why Jeff Bezos' yacht is so expensive. It's because they love double dipping everywhere.
$300 to $500 to just run it?
Run it.
Motherfucker Bezos.
Look at this bang, huh? They're making bets over here. They fuck us over and they're getting their customer happy. Yeah, I know that it's expensive. Expensive is not a number, but I try to make sense of it.
I don't know how we can break through this. I'm in Seattle. Should I try to one of Bezos or something?
Well, I mean, last option is to send an email to Jeff at Amazon. It's like the last escalation option.
You could try Andy at Amazon actually as well, Guillermo. We recently have gotten a lot of really good success with Andy, more so than Jeff, because Jeff's at this point is just, I think, goes straight to seller support, it seems like.
Because at this point, Bezos is just getting more and more of my money, holding on to it. So, I'm willing to try anything and everything. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and we just move on.
It's pretty common. You would be surprised, or maybe you wouldn't, but Amazon throws wrenches at people right before and right on Prime Day.
I mean, it's a monster of a company, and that Bezos' model, being able to bring in literally hundreds of millions of products. No, I've been in logistics and manufacturing my whole life. And once I started to really take a deep dive into what Amazon was and how it worked, I was fascinated with it. I think that I got involved more with Amazon to get an understanding of how it was working than I did to actually make a business out of it.
How did you hear about my Amazon guy?
You know what? Amazon guy, I Googled it and Jeff Bezos came up and I thought, well, fucking Jeff's calling me. No, only kidding. And then saw your different videos.
If you actually just Google search Amazon guy, we actually show up before Jeff Bezos for Amazon guy, even without the My Amazon guy. And then if you type in any kind of Amazon brand name issue, we rank really well for all this kind of stuff. I mean, I'm not saying us necessarily here, but we know very well what to do on the category or catalog management side.
I'm tired of giving Bezos my money too, but it's still worth doing in 2024. My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. If you need help overcoming these challenges that you heard many Amazon sellers talk about in this video, check us out at myamazonguy.com. We're here to help you grow your brand on Amazon so you get some peace of mind and you can worry about sourcing your product and launching new things while we take care of all of the bullshit that Jeff Bezos puts us through. We'll see you soon.